Welcome to the Unit 7 review sheet solution tutorial for the spring. This video I will be covering number 9. So you are standing at a footbridge right here and you above a lake, 12 feet above the lake. You're that tall, high above the lake. And then you see a duck which is 7 feet away from the foot of the bridge. Here you're asking to find the angle of elevation from the duck to you. So it's the angle of elevation right here from the duck to you. So from the duck to you. So you're looking what? You're looking up. All right? That is the angle of elevation. So this is going to be your theta because again, you're looking up. Angle of elevation, you're looking up. Right? So make sure you understand you're solving for this value here. Now we can draw from that point of view our person and we can label the 7 feet here, which is going to be your adjacent. Your 12 feet here is your opposite. So it's your opposite and adjacent. So that is your TOA. So it's going to be tan of that theta is going to be equal to your opposite divided by your adjacent. Now we can substitute. So the opposite is what value? The opposite is 12 here. And then your adjacent, which is your 7. All right. So to solve for theta, we use our inverse. So theta is equal to tan inverse parentheses 12 over 7. All right. So we plug that into a calculator. So the tan inverse is using the function key. Tan inverse 12 divided by 7. That gets you 59.74, or you can round it, so 59.7. Right, so theta equals to 59.7. 59.7 degrees. That is that theta right there. Okay, and again, this is your inverse trig because we are solving for an angle.